addition of octal number. Okay, addition of. Before that, how we will perform a decimal addition? Anybody? How we will perform it? Suppose I have two numbers, say uh, 26. Sorry, I have two numbers, 26 plus I need to add 26 plus 89. Okay. So what will be the result? How will you add these two numbers? Siddharth, how will you add 26 plus 89? These are our decimal numbers. എങ്ങനെ add ചെയ്യാം? Tell me. What will be the result? Siddharth. Where is Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me. How we will add these two numbers?
Yes.
26. And what will be the result? 6 plus 9. What is the result?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Okay. So for 15, how will you write?
5.
5.
5.
5. 1 carry. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Then 2. 1 plus 2 plus 8.
11.
11. So 11. So this is the result. Okay. Here addition. Actually, this 5 and represent. Actually, this is 1 into 10 plus 5. Okay. That is 5 is our this sum result and 1 with the carry 1. ആ carryയാണ് നമ്മൾ എവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്? ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്. Okay. Similarly, this one 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. 11 means 1 into 10 plus 1. Okay, 1 into 10 plus 1. So, E1 ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. So, next carry we have written here. Okay, so this is how we will perform a binary, decimal addition operation. Suppose there is I will give you another example. There is a number called 6, 2, 8 plus 7, 8, 9. Okay. In this example, we can write 8 plus 9. What is the result? 8 plus 9. Ajal, 8 plus 9. Ajal Prem. Ajal Prem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 8 plus 9. What is the
7.
result? 8 plus 9.
7.
What?
70.
70. For 17, you can write 1 into 10 plus 7. Okay. Why we have used 10 here? Because the number is decimal number. Okay. So that is why we have used here 10. Okay. So 7 will be the result with a carry 1. You can tell like that. 7 will be the result with a carry 1. So that 7 we can write here and with a carry 1. Okay. Then 1 plus 2 plus 8. Ajal, 1 plus 2 plus 8. What is the result?
Sir, 11. 1 with the carry 1.
1 plus 2 plus 8. Tell me
Or
the result.
11.
11. So for 11, how will you write? 1 into 10 plus
10 plus 1.
1. Okay. That means result is 1 with the carry 1.
1.
Okay. So 1 plus 6 plus 7. Ajal,
14. 14.
14. For 14, what do you have to write?
1 into
1 into 10 plus
plus 4.
4. Okay, 1 into 10 plus 4. So for that, you can write that 4 here with a carry. Okay,
Yes.
so this is how we will perform what our decimal addition. Similarly, you can perform the octal addition also. Same procedure you can use for performing octal addition. Okay, suppose I have two numbers, say 6 and 8. Assume that these two numbers are octal numbers. Okay, these two numbers are octal. Then how will you perform this addition operation? You can use the same logic that you have used for decimal addition. Then tell me, what will be the result? 6 plus 8 in octal. Octal. ഓക്കെ സോറി 8 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് octal ആയിപ്പോയി അല്ലേ, ഞാൻ എഴുതിയ തെറ്റിപ്പോയി. കറക്റ്റ്, ആരാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? സോ യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് 6 പ്ലസ് 7. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. So tell me the result. 6 plus 7. What will be the result? How will you write? Octal addition. എങ്ങനെ എഴുതും? 6 plus 7. Actually, it is 13. Okay, the result is 13. But for that 13, here the number is octal number. That means the base is 8. Okay, so you can use the same procedure that you used for decimal addition. For decimal addition, you have used 10. Here it is 8. That means you can write 1 into 8 plus 8 plus what? 8 plus 313. 8 plus 5. Okay, you can write 1 into 8 plus 5. Here 5 will be the result with a carry 1. So you can write this 5. So this is the result after we have performed an octal addition of 6 plus 7. Okay. Similarly, you can perform next number. Suppose there is a number called 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, 2. So, what will be the result? Agna, tell me. Agna P.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. 7 plus 2. Actually, it is 9.
9.
So, for octal addition, how we will represent it is
1 into 8 plus 1.
1 into 8 plus 1. Okay, so here the result is 1 with a carry
1.
So you can write here 1 with a carry 1.
1.
Okay, then add 1 plus 6 plus 4.
11. 1 into 8 plus
1 into 8 plus
3.
3. Result is 3 with a carry 1.
1.
So 3, 1. Then 1 plus 4 plus 3,
8.
8. So how we will write?
1 into 8
1
plus
into
0.
8 plus 0. Correct. So how we will write? 0.
0 with carry 1.
That means 1, 0, 3, 1. So this is how we will perform octal addition. Okay, this is how we will perform octal addition. The same logic. Okay, here I have written another example 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 6 plus 3, it is 9. For 9, you can write it 1 into 8 plus 1. So I will write here 1 with a carry 1. Then 1 plus 5 plus 2. That means 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 2, 8. So for 8, you can write it as 1 into 8 plus 0. So 0 with a carry 1. Then 1 plus 4 plus 1. That means 6. So you can write 6. So this is how we will perform octal addition. Okay, simple addition. Okay, how we have performed with the decimal addition operation, the same procedure you can use before performing octal addition. Okay, so for that, next I will give you a next work, homework. So this is the question. 3 5 3 to 5.4 plus next 7 to 3.7. Okay, so you need to perform addition operation. 3 to 5.4 plus 7 to 3.7. Okay, ഇത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഹോംവർക്കാണ്, അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ ചെയ്യണം. 3 to 5.4 plus 7 to 3.7. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഒക്ടൽ അഡിഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പ്രൊസീജിയർ. സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് എന്താണ്, ഏത് പ്രിൻസിപ്പിളാണ്, സെയിം പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾ ദാറ്റ് വി ആർ യൂസ്ഡ് ഫോർ പെർഫോമിംഗ് അഡിഷൻ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ, സെയിം പ്രൊസീജിയർ യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ് ഫോർ പെർഫോമിംഗ് octal addition. Decimal addition is the procedure of octal addition. But here for octal addition it is base 8 and for decimal addition it was 10. Okay. Next we can, so this is the octal addition table. By looking this table you can see the results. Suppose 0 plus 0 it is 0, 0 plus 1 1, like 0 plus 2 2, like that. Suppose 6 plus, suppose if you want to perform a 6 plus 4 addition, then how we will perform 6 plus 4, so result is 12. Okay, then suppose 7 plus 6, then 7 plus 6, the result is 15. Okay, this table we will call it as an octal addition table. Okay, the octal addition table ആണ് 0 to 7 വരെ, 0 to 7 വരെ. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ റിസൾട്ടുകളാണ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതി, ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ഓർത്ത് വെക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, the next we can see how we will perform octal subtraction. Okay, octal subtraction, the same rule that you used for decimal subtraction you can use here. For decimal subtraction you use it as a base 10 subtraction, but here in octal subtraction you can use it as a base 8. That means in decimal subtraction you borrowed 10 from the neighboring digit. Suppose while performing an decimal subtraction operation, then in some situation you need to borrow some value from neighboring digit. So in that case, for decimal subtraction, you borrowed base 10 values, but here in octal system you borrow a group of 8. Okay, so group of 8. Now we can see how we will perform a octal subtraction operation. Okay, how we will perform an octal subtraction. So before that, we can see how we will perform a decimal subtraction. അത് പഠിച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് അതിൽ നിന്ന് എങ്ങനെയാണ് how we can perform an octal subtraction. Okay. So first we can see the decimal subtraction. Suppose there is two number, that is 4 2 1 and 3 8 2. Okay. So you need to subtract these two numbers. 4 to 1 subtracted from that is, so you need to subtract 382 from 4 to 1. So how you will perform the subtraction operation? Akhila, tell me. How will we perform the subtraction operation? Akhila. Akhila, yes.
Sir,
Okay. Tell me, how will you perform the subtraction operation?
-1.
-1. 1 minus 2. How you will perform the subtraction operation? Akhila. ഞാൻ ഡെസിമൽ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. നോർമൽ
1
ആയിട്ടുള്ള
into
സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. നോർമൽ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ഇതിന്റെ റിസൾട്ട് ഇവിടെ എത്ര വരിക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 421 minus 382 decimal. What will be the result? I'm asking you the
39.
normal. 39. Okay. How did you get this 39? Tell me the step-by-step procedure. First, you will try to
1 minus 2.
1 minus. Is it possible to subtract?
No.
No. Then what you will do? What you will do? You need to borrow from
Borrow
here.
from 2.
എത്രയാണ് ബോറോ ചെയ്യുക ഇവിടുത്തെ
1.
1 ആണോ ബോറോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആക്ച്വലി? ഇഫ് യു ബോറോ 1, then here it will be 2 only. Okay, you can't borrow 1. Actually, you are borrowing 10. Okay, 10.
Okay.
Okay, because this is 10. അല്ലേ? 0th position, 10th position, then 100th position. അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ വരുന്നത്? So you are borrowing for decimal operation. You are borrowing 10. Okay, then 10 plus 1. What will be the result? 10 plus 1. It is 11.
11.
So from that 11 you are subtracting 2. Actual operation adhaan ketta. You are borrowing 10 from the neighboring digit and you are reading that 10 with the value 1, then you will get 11. From that 11 you are subtracting 2. What is the result?
9.
9. Okay. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇതിപ്പോ ആക്ച്വലി 20ന്റെ പൊസിഷനിലായിരുന്നുണ്ട്. അതല്ല 10 പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ എന്തായിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക? റിമൈനിങ് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 1 ഓൺലി. ഓക്കെ.
Okay.
So 1 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract?
No.
No. Then what you have to do?
Borrow 1 from 4.
Borrow to 1. You are borrowing here 10. Okay.
Okay.
So it is 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 8. What is the result? 11 minus 8.
3.
3. So that 3 you can write here. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ 1 പോയി അല്ലേ, 10 പോയി. സോ ഇവിടെ എത്രയാ? 3 മാത്രമാണ് ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? 3 minus 3 എന്താണ്?
0.
So result is 30. So this is the procedure we will perform the subtraction operation. ഈ procedure, exact procedure നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. എങ്ങനെയാണ് we have performed the decimal subtraction. Procedure മനസ്സിലായി? Actually നമ്മൾ എന്താണ്, if you are borrowing a value from the neighboring digit, actually നിങ്ങൾ അതിന്റെ 10th value ആണ് borrow ചെയ്യുന്നത് if it is in the decimal operation. Okay, 10th ഈ ഒരു വാല്യൂ കൂട്ടുമ്പോഴല്ലേ നമുക്ക് 11 കിട്ടുന്നത്. ആ 11ൽ നിന്ന് we are subtracting 2, then you will get to the result 9. Okay, this is the procedure we are performing. Okay, for decimal subtraction. ഇതാണ് ആക്ച്വൽ പ്രൊസീജിയർ. ഈ രീതിയിലാണ് ഇനി നമ്മൾ ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, so suppose I have a number 456 minus 173. Okay, we need to subtract 173 from 456. All these two numbers are octal numbers. Okay, all these two numbers are octal numbers. Then how we will perform the subtraction? Same procedure you can use what you have used in the decimal subtraction. So here it is 4, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7. So 6 minus 3. Google, what is 6 minus 3?
So 3.
3. Okay, correct. Then 5 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract?
No.
No. Then what you will do?
Borrow from 4.
Borrow from 4. Actually, this is octal number, so you are borrowing 8. Okay.
Yes.
For decimal number, you can borrow 10. Actually, you are borrowing 8. Okay. Then 8 plus 5, what was the result?
13.
13. 8 plus 5 minus, you need to subtract 7. Isn't it? 13
Yes.
minus 7, what was the result?
6.
6. Okay. So ഇവിടെ 8th position അവിടെ നിന്ന് പോയി. Now here only 3 only. Okay. So 3 minus 1.
2.
So this is the result. Okay. So this is how we will perform octal subtraction. മനസ്സിലായിന? ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയണം. Anybody? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലാവാതുണ്ടായാലും ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഞാൻ പറയാം. Octal subtraction. Ashwal. Then,
Yes, sir.
okay, you just do the subtraction operation, octal subtraction. 44 subtract minus 6. How you will perform the subtraction?
Borrow 8 from 4.
8. Then 8 plus 4,
12.
12. 12 minus 6,
6.
6. ഇവിടെ എന്താ ബാക്കി ഉണ്ടാവുക?
3.
3. ആ 3. So this is the result. ഒന്നുകൂടെ ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? എളുപ്പം. 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 4. Ashwati, how you will subtract? Ashwati VK. Ashwati VK.
3, 2,
1. Here.
2.
2. This is
3.
simple. Okay. Then next one is 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 4. What will be the result? Deepika, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 4. Deepika Mohan. Deepika, are you present? Deepika Mohan.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me that. Proceed. 5, 3, 2, minus 1, 7, 4. ഇവിടെ എന്താ വരിക? Is it possible to subtract 4 from 2?
No, we want to borrow
Borrow.
3.
3 ൽ നിന്ന് borrow.
3.
8 borrow ചെയ്തു അല്ലെ? ഇത് octal ആയതുകൊണ്ട് 8 ആണ് borrow ചെയ്തത് അല്ലെ? 3 ൽ നിന്ന് 8 borrow ചെയ്തു. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ 2 ആയി മാറും. Okay. Then 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Deepika.
10.
10 minus 4. 10 minus 4.
6. 6.
6. Okay, then here it is 2 only. Okay, so 2 minus 7 we can't subtract, so we need to borrow from here. 8 borrow ചെയ്തു. Then ഇവിടെ 4 ആയി. It is 4. Then 8 plus 2, 10. From 10 we can subtract 7. So 10 minus 7. What will be the result?
3.
3. So here 4. 4 minus 1.
3.
4 minus 1. So this is it. Okay. So this is how we will perform octal subtraction. Okay, so this is one of the methods that are used for octal subtraction. There are some other methods are also there. Okay, that we can study. So ഇതിൽ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? എങ്ങനെയാണ് octal subtraction octal addition ചെയ്തതെന്നുള്ളത്? ഡെസിമൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്തത്? 10ന്റെ ബേസിലായിരുന്നു എല്ലാം ചെയ്തത്. ബട്ട് ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് octal, so it is base 8. Okay, it is base 8. Okay. So that is octal subtraction. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ octal subtraction ഫോർമുല കൂടി ഉണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക്. അത് എഴുതി വെച്ചോ. 1 0 1 0 2 3 minus 4 2 4. Okay, 1 0 2 3 minus 4 2 4. Okay. ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ ചെയ്തു വരണം. 1 0 2 3 minus 4 2 4. Next, we can study how we will perform the same octal subtraction using 7's complement. Okay, 7's complement. What do you mean by 7's complement? Before that, what do you mean by 1's complement? That we already studied, 1's complement, isn't it? What is 1's complement? Suhara, what is 1's complement? Fatima, Suhara?
Changing ones to 0.
Changing 1 to 0, that we can perform. അത് നമുക്ക് എളുപ്പത്തിൽ പഠിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ആക്ച്വലി 1's complement എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നത്? ആക്ച്വലി 1's complement എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്? ആർക്കും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? ഗാഥ കൃഷ്ണ CH. ഓക്കെ, എന്തായിരുന്നു 1's complement ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ?
Positive number represented as same side magnitude.
Suppose I have a number 1 0 0 1. So what would be the 1's complement of this one? 1's complement. ആരോ ആൻസർ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്.
0.
Subtract -1 subtract ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല.
Subtract from 1. That is the result. Suppose 0 ആണ്. Because നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ 1 0 0 എന്നുള്ള വാല്യൂ ആണുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ we need to subtract it from 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. So what will be the result? 0 1 1 0. Okay. So this is how we will perform 1's complement operation. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് എളുപ്പത്തിലാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് എന്താണ് 1 0 0 1 ആക്കിയാൽ മതിയാണ് അല്ലേ? ആക്ച്വൽ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ എന്തായിരുന്നു? ഈച്ച് ഡിജിറ്റ് we need to subtract each digit from 1. Then only you will get the 1's complement. Okay. So for performing 1's complement operation, you need to subtract each digits from 1. Okay. Similarly, you can write or you can generate 7's complement. So for getting a 7's complement of a number, what you have to do? You need to subtract each number or each digit from 7. Okay, so you need to subtract each digit from 7, then you will get the 7's complement of that number. Suppose you have a number, say 2 3 4. Okay, you have a number 2 3 4. So You suppose they are asking you to write the seventh complement of this number. Okay, then in that case, what you will do? You need to subtract each bits, that is 2, 3, and 4 from 7. You need to subtract each bit from 7. So that means 7 minus 4. It is 7 minus 4. It is 3. Then 7 minus 3. It is 7 minus 3. It is 4. Then 7 minus 2, it is 5. So this is the seventh complement of the number 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the seventh complement of that number 2, 3, 4. So how we will find the seventh complement of a number? So for finding the seventh complement of a number, you need to subtract each bit, that is 4 from 7, 3 from 7, and 2 from 7. You need to subtract each bit from 7, then you will get the corresponding seventh complement. Okay, so this is how you will find the seventh complement. Okay, then by using seventh complement, you can perform octal subtraction operation. Okay, so that is another method. First, last slide we have discussed one method. This is a normal method how we will perform octal subtraction. Then it is another method. So for performing the same octal subtraction by using seventh complement. We can see how we will perform the octal subtraction using seventh complement. So this is the procedure. So first we need to suppose we have two numbers A and B. Okay, A and B. A and B. So we need to subtract B from A. Both A and B, these two numbers are octal numbers. Assume that these two numbers are octal. So in that case, how we will perform the subtraction by using seventh complement. So for performing the subtraction operation, first step is we need to find the seventh complement of the subtrahend, that is B. Okay, first we need to find the seventh complement of the subtrahend, then add the seventh complement to the first number. Add the seventh complement of B with the A. That is what, add it to the A. Okay, then after the addition operation, if the final carryover of the sum is 1, that means if it generates a carry, then what you have to do, just to drop that carry and add 1 to the result. Okay, add 1 to the result, you will get the final result. Okay, suppose if there is no carry, then what you have to do, you need to find the seventh complement of the sum, and that will be the result. So that will be a negative number. So this is the procedure for finding for performing the subtraction by using seventh complement. We can see with an example. Suppose consider a number here. There is a number called 7 minus 7 6. Okay. I need to subtract 76 from 77. So as per the seventh complement subtraction rule, what was the first step? So first step, we need to find the seventh complement of the subtrahend. Here subtrahend is 76. So we need to find the seventh complement of subtrahend. So finding the seventh complement of 76, what we have to do? We need to subtract each bit from 76. Okay, so it is 1 and 0. Okay, it is 1 and 0. So what is the next step? Then we need to add it with A. That means 77 plus 01. Okay, 77 plus 01. Okay, 77 plus 01. So 7 plus 1, it is 8. So for 8, we can write it as 1 into 8 plus 0. So result is 0 with a carry 1. Then 1 plus 7, it is also 8. For 8, you can write 1 into 8 plus 0. So 0 with a carry 1. Okay. Here, after addition operation, we can see that there is a carry. Okay. After addition operation, here we can see there is a carry. So in this algorithm, if the final carry over of the sum is 1, then we need to drop this carry and add 1 to the result. That means ഈ carry നമ്മൾ drop ചെയ്തിട്ട് റിസൾട്ടിന്റെ കൂടെ 1 add ചെയ്യും. That means 0, 0 plus 1. So you will get the final result 1. Okay. So this is how we will perform octal subtraction using 7's complement. കുറച്ചും കൂടെ എക്സാമ്പിൾ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാനുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വന്നിട്ട് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഈ അൽഗോരിതം മാത്രം ഒന്ന് ഓർത്ത് വെക്കുക. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് 7's complement സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഇങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു ഫസ്റ്റ് വി നീഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ 7's complement of subtrahend and add that with the A. Then if the final carry of the sum is 1, then അത് ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അല്ലേ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ആ carry ഇവിടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് റിസൾട്ട് കൊടുക്കും. If there is no carry, then we need to find the 7's complement of the sum. That will be the final result. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 7's complement സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വന്നിട്ട് ഒന്നുകൂടി എടുക്കാം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത് ഒക്ടൽ അഡിഷനും ഒക്ടൽ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. ഇതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? ഒക്ടൽ അഡിഷനും ഒക്ടൽ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അറ്റൻഡൻസ് എടുക്കാം. അഭിനന്ദ്,
Present.
അഭിനവ്, അഭിരാം, ആഗ്ന. ആഗ്ന പ്രസന്റ് ആണോ? അഖില,
Present, sir.
അചൽ,
Present, sir.
ആകർഷ്,
Present, sir.
ഗോകുൽ,
Present, sir.
അക്ഷര,
Present, sir.
ആൽബിൻ,
Present, sir.
അൻഷിത, അനുജിത്, അനുരാഗ്,
Present, sir.
അരുണിമ, ആഷ്വിൻ,
Present, sir.
അശ്വന്ത്, അനിൽ കുമാർ, അശ്വിൻ, അശ്വിൻ കെ, അശ്വിൻ പവിത്രൻ,
Present, sir.
അശ്വൽ,
Present, sir.
അശ്വന്ത്,
Present, sir.
അശ്വതി,
Present, sir.
അതുൽ,
Present, sir.
ദീപിക,
Present, sir.
ദേവിക,
Present, sir.
ഫാത്തിമ,
Present, sir.
ഫാത്തിമത്തുൽ മിസ്ബ,
Present, sir.
ഫാത്തിമത്തുൽ സഹല,
Present, sir.
ഷിബിലിയ,
Present, sir.
സുഹറ,
Present, sir.
ഗാഥ,
Present, sir.
ഗോപിക,
Present, sir.
Isha,
Present, sir.
Kiran,
Present, sir.
Malavika,
Present, sir.
Muhammad Nabil,
Present, sir.
Mosina,
Present, sir.
Muhammad Muhsin,
Present, sir.
Muhammad Fahad, Muhammad Satif,
Present, sir.
Muhammad Sahal,
Present, sir.
Nandana,
Present, sir.
Neha, Niharika,
Present, sir.
Nirmal, Nivedita,
Present, sir.
Nainika,
Present,
Punya,
Sir.
Rajat,
Present, sir.
Sai, Sakila Nora Ibrahim, Sarang,
Present, sir.
Shahana Shreen, Shanil,
sir.
Shonin Selvaraj, Siddharth,
Present, sir.
Siddharth Sunil,
Present, sir.
Saurav,
Present, sir.
Sriraj, Taifel,
Present, sir.
Varshana,
Present, sir.
Vignesh,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Vishwat,
Present,
Pranav, Celia.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
ഓക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു.
Sir, 4. Present.